I want your ideas, the Smart Woodshop family. Let's put our brains together. I have shown you these TSO Power-Locs a number of times. They are a game changer for the Polk Smart Benches. I've shown you the woodworking vise. I've shown you the panel rig for doing doors and edge banding. And I've got a couple of more coming as well. I'm away from the shop a little while. I'm traveling and I've got so many ideas percolating. This really will help us do some creative, productive things. So come up with an idea, take some pictures or a short video, even with just your smartphone, and send them to me. And I'll put together a video that I can share with the entire Smart Woodshop family so that we can all be more productive and better at what we do. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.